All right, back we go. The market will be closed in a half hour. It is February 16th. Checking out some of these stocks here. SCKT was the home run trade today. Look at this. This was up 700%, whatever. 4 to 34. Now, do you want to catch all that move? If you can, that's amazing. You don't have to. If you get anywhere here, 6, 8, 12 or 24, it's a great trade. You're easily making 1,000 to 2,000 plus. You don't even need a lot of size in this. That's people forget they think they need like hundreds of thousands of dollars. On these small caps, you probably need 100 to 1,000 shares. All right, let's look at ONTX. Called this one many times too. Done these stocks so many times, I know them like the back of my hand at this point. 325 drop in October. Went right down to this 25-cent line. As you can see here, battled the 75 back and forth. Eventually, it took about 6 months. It broke up July right to this 150 line, filled this gap. See this little gap? All gaps will be filled at some point. I believe 75% of the time they will be filled within 3 months. That was a study. Came back again, then it dropped hard, went right back to this 25-cent line. There you have another gap. And then right here was a sign we're trying to break through that big volume bar, right at 40 cents. Came up, back down to the 13 EMA, broke above 75. This great dip here was about 65 cents. Then it took off. Look at the volume here. Now you're pretty far away from your 13 EMA. We could get a drop, $1, even 80 cents. This could be prepared for any kind of drop like these red candles. Doesn't mean the move's over. It could be just pulling back like this. Could be just a pullback. But it's been doing pretty good the last few days. Next line here is over 125, 150. Try to refill this gap. Longer term, I'm still looking for, if we get above 150, 225 to 275. They're the major lines here. See this back here? Over 2 plus. So the move down sideways, then a big move up, move down again, big move up. So we'll see if this continues on ONTX. $171 million float, higher float, 239 million market cap. Onconova Therapeutics to present corporate update at 2021 Bio and CEO Investor Digital Conference. They have candidates to treat cancer, clinical stage bio. So that's what they do. All right, so that's that. ASRT. $90 million float, 141 million market cap. They are a specialty pharmaceutical company in the United States. Products include Cambia, inflammatory drug. You can see the big wash down. This look is back and forth, back and forth. Really big bar here from 3 all the way to the 66-cent level. Then we bounced up to 150. We tried over 150 many times, but it couldn't exactly get through. And that was back in 2020. Then we came crashing down. Look at this, right by this 50-cent line. Right here, look at this. Came back to, I would say like 34 cents. Look at this double bottom here, here. Then we bounced up. You can do a few different things. You can draw a line this way. If it breaks above that trend line, which it did, 50 cents. And really look where the volume takes off right here in this bar. That was in December 23rd. Look at this big, heavy volume. 60, we pull back. 65, heavy volume bars. We just explode to 140, explode. And look at these 2 down days. They were nothing. The bull shook that off right now. We could still even fall to 80 cents. Probably this line here, and it'll be a pullback. Right now it's like struggling to get past this like 135 zone. Still have this big 150 zone, and then up here is that big candle. Not a gap, open gap, but it's similar like that. So the big test here is if we can get over to 150, and then we'll see what happens there. Longer term, I think we can get there. It's going towards there right now. So, and I like the way stochastics is moving. So keep that on watch if you want to play that. TNXP. $156 million float, 647 million market cap. February 11th, they rallied after in licensing technology for rare genetic eating disorder. They have biologics to treat, prevent human diseases, alleviate suffering, clinical stage bio. So, yeah, the big gap here at 10, that was back in 2019. Then we did a reverse split. This thing fell to 2. A very gappy up and down major wicks here, trying to test that 2 line. Then we fell apart in February. This thing really went down and bounced. Imagine playing this like a seesaw. You're like, oh, I'm down. Now I'm up. Now I'm back down in like a month. So this went to 75. Got over 2 again, didn't hold. And then we came back to this line here, this 50-cent line. And then heavy volume again. Look at the volume bars in these updates. So this stock on the updates really, moves big. Because look at the bars. Tremendous. So 75 cents, $1. And then we went to, a little dip here. We got all the way to $2 zone. Now, the pullback here, if we don't make 2, this could pull back far, even 130. If it goes back to 1, that would be a really strong pullback. I don't think 1. I think maybe 150, 140. We're trying to break 2 now, struggling a little bit. We struggle back here. 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5, all these candles to break this 2 line. If we break 2, look for this reverse split. You got to look for specific areas. Watch for 253. And then I think eventually, see 4 and then a 6 level, this open gap here. So, this is potential too, but they're running strong. So you're just not going to run straight up every day. So watch for pullbacks on these and just see if it's a pullback or it's, change or reversal in the stock at this point. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. I have a Patreon. It's not set up yet. I might put some videos on there. Support the channel. Donation. All right, that is it. Let me load this video. Have a good day. Peace.